Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're going to talk about the 5-set car air conditioner vent brush car cleaner auto detailing blinds duster brush car styling auto accessories. This amazing product has so many special features to offer. It's soft and smooth, made of high-quality ABS and nanofibers, and is perfect for keeping your car interior clean and dust-free. The set includes various brushes and tools for cleaning different parts of your car, so you can ensure your vehicle looks brand new inside. The set is made of durable and reliable materials, designed for long-term use. The brushes are easy to handle and are the perfect size for getting into those hard-to-reach areas. Whether you need to clean the air vents, windows, or the exterior of your car, this set has got you covered. But not all this set is not just for cleaning, it also includes a car phone holder for Tesla Model 3 and other car models. It's perfect for keeping your phone safe and secure while driving. So, if you are looking for the perfect car cleaning and organizing solution, look no further. You can find the product in the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy driving!